Okay. Volume down, volume down. So, how? Back again, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for joining in. For all the new people who will be joining this today, let me just tell you that this is a one pit stop platform for everything related to the crypto world. Whether you want to know regarding the cryptocurrencies, regarding the altcoin, stablecoin, meme coins, or you want to know how to actually trade, how to learn trading from not even just the strategies or something, from the beginning, from the scratch, from exact zero to an advanced level. Right now we are actually headed toward the advanced level, where you can clearly see that we are doing a live trading sessions every day. But if you want to start fresh, please, I will tell you that please go and join the live stream which was happened before, which is from the candlesticks, sharpen and everything. You can just check it out from the cheesy bit live section and every of those things. Okay, so thank you so much for that. And I just want to tell you that get on the hold of what is happening outside the world as well, because news is also very, very important. And why trading? There is no answer for that, because I really, really believe this one very simple thing, that the world is going toward a new generation, a new path. Everything is very new, advanced, developed, and all those kind of stuff. Then why do we need to stuck in the traditional way of investment till now, when we can clearly see the world's most expensive coin is a digital coin? Digital, there is no proof of it being a physical. There is no physical coin over here. It's just digital. It's on just a server, but still it is holding the value of the most expensive coin in the whole world. So for that thing, obviously we can assure this one very simple thing, that yes, future holds a greater potential, and we should get ahead of our time, of right now time, and not even get ahead of time. Like, even if you walk with this time, because most of the people in the back of their time are still living in the back of the time till now. They are still in this traditional way of living, traditional way of finance, traditional way of sustaining their life, surviving their life, and every of those things, which is, yes, which is making them alive. But at the same point, are you doing any progress? Are you getting ahead of your generation? Are you getting ahead of your ancestor? Are you getting ahead of your relatives, families, XYZ, XYZ, XYZ? No, you are just being stuck there. See, no one is gonna, until and unless Earth has an oxygen, you can survive in whatever way you want. But what is the most important way to survive is stay updated to the time. Move wherever the time is moving, so that you won't be you won't be treated as, like, you know what I'm meaning, right? Like before timing, the grandpa still doesn't know how to operate these smartphones and every of those things. They had an option. They could have learned this thing, and nobody is stopping them from learning those things, but they don't learn it because they want to stay backward only. But then they ask for the young generation people, to help them. Why? If you don't want to learn, then why even ask? Very pretty simple. So for all those people who don't want to stuck in these situations, in this generations, in the past generation, please go ahead of our time. And the digital currency is one of those things where you want to invest, because not only 1, 2, 3, it's more than a lot of people are investing in the crypto. Mostly, majorly US governments. Secondly, the wealthiest companies, MicroStrategy, MetaPlanet, or MetaPlace. I'm confused. So there are 2 to 3 more such companies as well, like Tesla. And although I don't want to make it, Elon Musk itself is an meme coin holder or meme coin origin person or something like that. So that's why I was trying to tell you, like, the world is getting ahead of you, and why these wealthiest people are trying to go toward the cryptocurrency, why it is considered as a digital gold. If you are having a faith in the gold, then why don't have you faith in the digital gold? Just because it's digital, why you don't have a faith? Question mark. If the whole world is having a faith in the digital gold, then you should as well. And trust me, is the most easiest way to create a generational wealth. Not just enough for you, but enough for your children's children. That is as well enough. If you just know 2 to 3 basic things, that is first, basics of all the tradings. All the trading means stock, indices, commodities or cryptocurrencies in whatever way you feel you wanna trade. Okay. Second thing, getting to know what is happening outside the world, because that is very much necessary of to gain you the opportunity. If there will be a positive news, then you can grab a very good opportunity of buying situation. If there is very good negative news, then you can save your assets by selling it at a good amount of profit, or you can do short sell as well. It depends on you. Now, the third most important thing, now combining and being aware, like making your psychology up to the point, because there is one thing, obviously market is a very unpredictable place. Even though you are giving your life, hard life, blah blah blah, XYZ efforts and all those things, even to decipher the market, to understand the market and all those things, but you will not able to achieve 100%. Nobody can, nobody will. It is a true fact. We should not even just go after that 100% thing, because market is an unpredictable place. We will never know what is going to happen next. We'll never ever know. It is the same thing for you to know like what is the future holds. If you can predict the future, you can predict the crypto market. If you can predict the future, you cannot predict the future market, because this market, as I have told you so many times, is run by the big wealthiest people and the governments, like mostly the US government right now, because they are having the larger hold of the Bitcoin, more than 1 lakh. So, and all those wealthiest people, and also the market itself, because this is not a place for you to just earn profit. This is also a place where you can also have losses, which is basically equals to your loss equals to the market's profit. That is the liquidity to the market. Now we never ever got to know who is actually the owner of the market, who gets the money of this liquidity loss and everything, where it is goes, how it is working, where is the cycle running, and every of those things we never get to know. And I don't think we will ever find it out as well, but it's totally fine. We are here to have this sweep in the small profit, which is very easy to catch. Just have an eye on the big players. What are they doing? When are they making move? How are they making move? And try to find their supply and demand. So that's all you need to do. Because if you want to, and yeah, one more thing I want to tell you, like there are millions of strategies related to the trading, but only 2 to 3 works. Even in out of those 2 to 3, I found this smart money concept the most logical way of trading. The most logical way of trading. I feel like finding the levels, key supports and every of the things is okay. But then it's one of that thing like, okay, fine, we can do it and it actually works sometimes, but not all the levels are meant to be respected. True facts. So, but in the majority of the situations, supply zones and demand zones are there, which can actually give us not just the quantity, but the quality trade. We will be having so much of, like, this was the demand zone I made when I was going, and after that you can clearly see what a good amount of trade we got from here, from exactly that zone. This is the power of the supply and demand zone, which you should acquire. And I don't want to start again what is it and blah blah blah. I have already created several videos regarding this, so I will like to respect you. I would love to tell you that please go and find it out on our channel. Okay, now let's see what we can do with right now's market, because right now, as you can see, there are 2 situations in the market. One is the top, one is the bottom. We either take entry over here or we take entry over here. We never take entry in somewhere in the middle, because this middle point can never give you assurance of what is going to happen. I will tell you the same example. I will give you one example for it. See, for example, okay, for example, this was the original supply zone and this was the original demand zone. I will just write it over here. Okay, demand zone. ATH. I'll write it in the caps. Okay, let's make it a little big. Okay. You got this is demand zone ATH. Now what is ATH? All-time high. From this exact demand we have seen that market has been on its all-time high. All-time high we have reached from this demand zone. That's why I'm respecting this demand zone more, because this was the demand which created the all-time high. From here we have never seen the market taking a break, fall down or something and again taking a demand. No, this was the original place from where the whole market going up started. So that's why I'm respecting it. And then you can clearly see from that position we have seen this was a zone. Okay, the market tried to consolidate at this point. This whole zone, people will say ki like the market to get so many time down, market got so many time up and blah blah blah. But you have to understand that at reaching somewhat level where there is a high resistance power, or there is a very supply zone, or the market the buyers is not in the strength right now, so they will try to consolidate. Consolidate is basically they will try to move in one place for a little long time to decide what is going to happen. And you can clearly see the market waited for a long time, and after that they decided that this is the buyer's strength gone completely and the sellers took over, and we can see a supply over here. That's why it created this new supply, because right now we need new things, because we have created all-time high. Before that we used to check out the 108 109 things, supply or demand zone at that level, but we are too past that. We are right now at 1 and 112. So everything new is required now. Okay, everything. Let's go. Just a second. Okay, so this was let me just clear out these stuffs. And if you try to find it out, and like I was telling you, I don't want to go in somewhere in the middle. See, this was the market here, this was the market over here, and generally you can clearly see that market came from that position to this position, and from again there they are trying to go up now. But at this point you can clearly see how many times the market came down, retaliated, came down, retaliated, came down, retaliated, came down, retaliated. So taking entry in somewhere middle is always a risky place. You don't know whether it will try to go up or whether it will try to come down. You can clearly see at this was this is the middle ground where you can see lot of retracement happen. Retracement. A lot of retracement happens in the middle ground only. It will never come like this straight. There are very rare chances of market coming straight down, straight up and all this kind of stuff. So right now we are having in that between situation where, see, I can clearly see that this was one of the supply zones, or maybe market took through too many times the market took resistance. Like this was the 1, 2, 3, 4. Market tried to go up, and this is the fourth time. Sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the fifth time market taking the same position for going down. So yes, there are chances that from here the market will try to go down, and then again we can have an upgoing situations. But that's very risky to decide, because market has already taken a demand from one place, and it is not necessary for market to take two demand and then only go up. Generally it happens, but it doesn't have to be very exact situations. Okay, so we'll try to think what can we do at such points, because We are stuck in the between right now. Before, in the morning, we had a good trade. We entered over here, we earned almost $641. So that's a good thing, but right now we are again stuck. I'll try my best to find some things, some crucial movements for us, because see, right now, even if I analyze this, it took demand from us, did a little consolidation, tried to go down, it went down, and right now again it is in the consolidation. I don't know if it will touch this, try to go up, because this has been a good demand. The market has higher probability to touch this demand and go up, but still there is a probability that market can go up from here as well. We will never know. It is at the level of 108. Let's find something. What happened previously at 108? Yes. Do you think this can repeat here? This thing. Market took a good demand at this point, we can clearly see, but couldn't sustain long and came down. Let's see what we can do here. See, I can create, whoa, this is a good demand zone. This is actually a good demand zone. Let's do this. I'll just create a horizontal line for right now. The original is down, but this is also a good one. So I'm just going to create this. Market came, try to break out, market came. Yeah, this is good. Maybe we can have another chance. Let me just stretch it. I should have. Hello Sangeeta, hello, welcome to the live stream of the Cheesyware platform. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much. I want to create a horizontal over here. Okay, stretch it. See, this is a maybe situation. Okay, I am not sure if this demand is gonna work, but you can clearly see in front of your eyes. Now, one time it worked, market had a very huge candle at this point. This is a 5-minute candle. Okay, you might not see it in the 15-minute, you might not see it in the 20, 25, 30, 45, 1 hour kind of systems. In the 5-minute we can see. So I'm taking the 5-minute right now, because I already in the morning did the analyze of the market from almost day 3, 4 hours, 2 hours, 3 hours, and all those kind of like came back, and I couldn't find it. So I'm taking it from here. You can clearly see this is a very good demand. Market rose up, took a supply from maybe, yeah, it is not, maybe somewhere back. And that was the second time the market did the exact same thing, took a supply, took a demand. Third time couldn't sustain. The buyers, you can clearly see, slowly we can see from here. First, the height of the buyers touched this point. Second, the height of buyer touched this point, and third time the height of buyer touched this side. So one thing is very clear which is happening right now here, that the buyers are decreasing slowly. In the 3 time the market tried to take the demand from that exact place, and all the 3 time we have seen one thing, that the power, the strength, the volume of that thing was very less. and it was decreasing gradually. That's why we could see the fall. The demand couldn't sustain, and we saw that it broke. Okay, cool. Right now we are at the demand zone. The highest we will try to not to move is from we will try to take entry somewhere here. If it jumps up from there, we'll try to take entry from there. For the buy side, what do you think, which side is more serious to take right now? What do you think? Let me just turn it to green and green and green. Yeah, three demand zone. The recent one we have got, and that's a good one. 3 times top, but all the 3 times the strength was like decreasing. That is one issue, but other than that we are all good to go. There are high chances as well the market may take a downfall. Okay, so we'll make sure that we have the other supply, other demand zones. And just to let you know, this is the OG demand zone is this only. Okay, this is the OG one. The rest are created by the 5-minute charts. 5-minute charts is very like there are too many candles, so it will make its own movement, it will make its own demand and all those kind of stuff. So this is all the demand. The recent one, the small one, is taken by the 5-minute candle. Okay, 5-minute. Okay, I think we are able to watch it. I think we are able to watch it. If it goes, we are gonna go for the long entry from this point, because that was the highest consolidation range. So beyond that range I want to go, and I want to reach somewhere over here. Okay, that will be my target. Let's see if it gets achieved or not. If I just plot a fib, highest point, ठीक है. Let's see. Let's see what kind of entry we can get. This is my entry point. I've already told you this is 5-minute demand. 5-minute weak demand. Okay, and this was kind of a strong demand, kind of, not that, but yeah. This is also 5-minute demand. This is 15-minute demand actually, sorry. The only reason I wrote weak over here is because at the time of the demand was gradually decreasing. This is the decreasing. Gradually the peak of the buy got decreased. That's why I wrote that. Okay. This is consolidation resistance. Okay, the market consolidated, couldn't go beyond that. That's why I wrote consolidation resistance. So basically, this is my entry point. Let's go over here, make a 16 small, and then I put one more, and that would be my target. But I can actually keep the target little up, but I'm comparing with the same thing. Okay, let's see what we get, how we get. My setup is done. I don't have a supply zone because I cannot see one. One is to 2 reward ratio we are having. That is a good amount of reward ratio. Okay, let's see which side do we go. We go for buy side, we go for sell side. Now the only thing left is for us to wait. Setup is done, everything is done. Now we just wait for the trade to happen. We'll see. If it falls down, we will do a little short because gradually it will come to the 15 minute demand zone. Till here to here we can do the short selling, and from here we can do the buying. Okay, let's see. Right now the market is consolidation. The time it breaks this box, I will create a path for all of you people. Or do I have any other? Let me see. Let me see. Wow. Oh, is that psychic stuff? I can hypnotize myself, I feel. Okay. Nice plane. Let's see something else. What is scan box? Oh, it's the same thing, but it's just in a box. Okay. It's the same thing, but in the box. Like from here, I'll go this side. We are right now trying to take support from the 0.5 level. Box is also fine, but fable level is better. Let's say something else. Can square fixed. What is can square fixed? Wow. was it used for? What is this things used for? I have never seen anybody used this stuff. Why were they made? Again, like how shall I, like, what shall I look for? Like, what line to check over here? This is the top. Let's just spread it. So okay, I can't read. Trying hard, but I cannot read. Okay, let's play with something else. Wow! Oh, this is those disco lines which we have in the parties. La 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 la. This is nice, and there are numbers as well. What's up? What's up, Gaurav Ingle? What's up? See. Nice. But my favorite is Spiral. This is legit that hypnotize thing. अंकल जी मुझे पानी पिला दीजिए ना. पानी गीला है ना गौरव? पानी गीला है ना? मेरा ही पानी खत्म हो गया यार. गीला है ना पानी? पानी गीला है ना? Let's see. Fifth speed. Wow. What are these used for? Like what? What do you use with it? Let's just plot it at the bottom level and let's just let it go. Let it reach to the top. Okay. Done. Now what? तुम्हें पानी पीना है? नहीं पानी गीला है ना? आज मार्केट प्रेडिक्शन नहीं करूंगा तो क्या करेंगे और तहल का मार्केट प्रेडिक्शन करूंगा. आज ऑमलेट नहीं बनाऊंगा. But I'm getting fan of Maya. Have you seen Maya by any chance? Maya, can you drink alcohol again? Yes. Why not? Maya. Crazy girl Maya. What are these lines? Whoa. Okay. माया हिला दो, चमके लाओ, धीरे लाओ. We wait for our entry point. We cannot break this box. This. What shall I make a box with? I don't want to use a rectangle. Okay, let's use rectangle, but we'll use some different color. Okay, white. Okay, white. Okay. एक क्वेश्चन था. हाँ जी. यस बोलिए गौरव इंग्लिश. यस, आई एम लिसनिंग टू योर क्वेश्चन. Okay, this yellow is no entry zone. Okay, we cannot enter at this point. This is a consolidation zone. So if the consolidation gets break, we will enter at that point. क्या क्वेश्चन था? क्वेश्चन क्या था? What was the question? क्वेश्चन क्या है? बिल्लो बग्गे बग्गे यादा की करेगी. I guess बिल्लो बग्गया दा की करेगी. No, I guess there is 2 time running happening in your question. बिल्लो तो भग गया, फिर भग्या का की करेगी, भग्या दा की करेगी. बिल्लो बग्गे दा की करेगी. टफ क्वेश्चन. ये हमारी टफ क्वेश्चन. क्या करेगी? बिल्ली तो भग गई, बग्गिया क्या करेगी? बग्गिया ओमनी वैन लेगी. बग्गिया ओमनी वैन लेगी. बग्गिया बोलेगी मैं 500 रुपए का पेट्रोल डालता तो हूँ, पर एक जगह जाना पड़ेगा. That's what बग्गिया का प्लान यही रहेगा. बग्गिया का प्लान रहेगा to catch a friend with an omni and telling him that I have 500 rupees. We can go, but there is one pit stop. One pit stop we have to do. 10-minute pit stop. Only 10 minutes. Scarf is must. Hello, Angel. Hello, Rajesh and Namlai. Thank you so much for joining this live stream of the Chizio platform. Yeah. I hope you got that answer to that question. Gaurav. Try to find Omni and 500 rupee note. That's all. Consolidation. Consolidation zone. Let's wait for the breakout. Like, follow, subscribe. Good Gaurav. Really appreciating all of your things. बिल्लो भाग्य बिल्ले यादा की This will be the first target. Okay, just if it gives us a good strike, then we can aim for higher ones. This is the higher one. This is the recent one where we saw. Good evening. Good evening, Indumati. Thank you so much for joining this live stream of the Cheezer platform. Appreciates a lot, means a lot. But do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. You got it. Okay. 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 Diva. वो कभी दिखाना कभी दीवाना वो कभी दिखाना कभी ठिकाना कभी तो प्यार कभी तो सारा कभी थी वर्षा कभी थी छाता कभी थी दोस्त और कभी थी ज्वाला वो कभी दिखाना कभी ठिकाना कभी थी प्यार कभी थी सारा कभी थी वर्षा कभी थी छाता कभी थी दोस्त और कभी भी ज्वाला कभी तक गम तो आदि बस यहाँ पर बस यहाँ पर कभी वो नाक में बेदम जैसे जुकाम है वो कभी थी ज्वाला consolidation कभी थी ज्वाला कभी थी गंज कभी थी Hello. Nice. Let's wait for the entry. Is market shifting down? Is the market trying to shift a little down? Let's see what it breaks. If it breaks this, we'll go for short sell till the 15-minute demand zone. Okay? Short sell till 15-minute demand zone will go. That's what we are aiming for. कभी थी market breached the consolidation, but with very, very, very small candles, very low volume, quantity, and all those kind of stuff. So I'm not sure of it. Should I really do I have to enter for the sell side, or should we wait more? I entered for the sell side. I'm hoping that market comes to my take profit at is 1600 almost, but I will keep it a little short because I'm not having that much trust. See, the time I say trust, it goes up. The time I say trust, it goes up. Nice, very nice. कभी थी ज्वाला कभी थी बारिश Even I have to reverse the situation to go for buy, I will do it because I have done it in the this thing as well. Copy the child, copy the cow. Kapitikana. Kapitikana. Oh shit. I knew such kind of situation might happen. Where we are stuck in this situation. Where we are stuck in this situation. I don't want it to go for buy situations. I don't want it to go for buy situations. Calm down. At least let me close you at some 2 digits. 90, 80, 70. I don't want 200 minus 200 kind of things. Which is recoverable. If I just don't do anything, the market eventually will come in some time. But I don't want to waste my time. So just come down for a while and then we can have it. Okay. The market listened. It's coming down. Come more down. वो कभी थी गाना कभी थी वर्षा कभी थी छाता Still 55 minutes is there to close. Let's go. 55 seconds, 55 minutes for the stream. Let's go. And I'm downloading one game as well. Let's see. Because I love this game, okay? So I thought like why not we can play one game. We can play games while this stuff is happening. Like this is happening. I've given you entry, I've given a target, everything, consolidation phase and everything I have given you. I just want to play the game as well on the side by side so that we can have the fun element in our live stream rather than just being a very boring sessions of this live stream. Like the watching market is not a very fun, a very interesting hobby. Yes, it is just a candle moving up, candle moving down. So I am installing one game right now. I just hope that it works the proper. We can have a game. We can have a good game. The market is shifting. Oh, come on. 4 minute. Oh my god, in 4 minutes it jumped so much, bro. Jumping so much. Should I reverse? Reverse, not reverse. What shall we do? Should we reverse it? Should we not reverse it? I shouldn't have done this early mistake. This is my early mistake over here. That's why I don't take a rushful trade here. I take my trade a lot of in a very peace, in a very patience. It's just for this live stream I have to take a very rushful trades. Like I have to take trade in these 2 hours. So I make a rush decisions. If you want to trade in peace, you have to Trade in peace. It is coming down. Three minutes is still left. 3 minutes still left. Let's see what happens in 3 minutes. Insta. Can come down. 2 minutes is still left. I'll decide after 2 minutes if I have to continue this trade or not. I'm not having any intention of continuing this trade, but if I don't continue, then again it will be in the consolidation range itself. I'll wait for 2 minutes of what happens. Let's give it a try for 2 minutes. One minute still left. Let's see. $300 is it fine to cross? Is it fine to cross 300? Is it okay if I take a trade, exit the trade of 300 or not? This is the time either I will reverse it and enter here and my target, or it will genuinely come down like that. Zigzag, zigzag, zigzag movement. That's why I'm not crossing it right now, because I have hopes that this might happen, like it might come down eventually rather than going up. But if it goes up, the time it crosses this entry point and it is genuinely it's up there, I will just click on this and I will reverse my positions. Okay, cool. See, it's coming down, coming down. 27 minutes left. Let's see. If that's the exact situation, then we'll close the deal. I shouldn't have opened this deal, but fine. And also, this is a hammer candle which is telling us that this can be a bull run from here. You all know that hammer candle is a bullish candle, right? Two, three. Red line trying to come down, trying to come down. Okay, okay, relax, people, relax. Sellers are getting active, not letting the market go up. Good sign for us, because we have taken an opposite trade over here. Let the market come down. Great, good. Like I said, from this point maybe we'll have a like consolidation is happening, so coming up, going down, coming up, going down is a common thing which we may can face. Two minutes, let's see what happens in 2 minutes. Maybe this was the trap of people. Maybe it will be in our favor. Okay, this is that game. I don't know. Let me just say it over here first, and then I will come here to have. Okay, it's coming down. I will close my trade, by the way. Okay, I won't wait for this target to achieve. This target is not gonna achieve. Let's just have 55, 42, 42, $42. 23. Do you want to improve your experience? Accept all. Welcome Clash Royale. Okay. Oh, the training is happening. You're under attack. I know. Let's go. Place your card, push advantages. I know. You try to come down. Is 238 now. It will come down more. Let's see. It will come down more. Come on, come more down so I can cancel this order which I shouldn't have taken. Did the trade off. Lucifer BTC में शॉर्ट किया है क्या? व्हाट्स योर ओपिनियन? ब्रो डोंट डू शॉर्ट राइट नाउ. आई डोंट थिंक सो शॉर्ट करना चाहिए इस टाइम पे. I think the market will run again because since the time the downfall the market has not tapped into the supply zone till now, and it has made continuous attempts 1 2 3 4 5. So I believe one time at least the market will tap down to the supply zone and फिर यहाँ से शॉर्ट करना चाहिए. आई डोंट थिंक सो हमें कहीं बीच में. आई डोंट प्रीफर, मैं खुद प्रीफर नहीं करता हूँ कि आई टेक अ ट्रेड समवेयर इन द बिटवीन फॉर एनीथिंग, फॉर बिगर शॉर्ट और बिगर, फॉर बिगर बाय और फिर बिगर शॉर्ट. If it is something in between, I don't take a trade. Right now I'm doing it because I'm not having a maximum profit. I'm just like looking for small chip in profits. So this is one of the small chip in profit. I took it at here, like 15-minute time zone. I took it here till this point before, and now I'm again created one my demand zone. This is a weak, this is a 5-minute demand zone. It's not that good because we can clearly see one thing. Took a demand, went up, came down, took a demand, went up, but this time the market couldn't go beyond this level. Again came down, took a demand, went up, but you can clearly see it couldn't cross the above two levels of the buy situations. So that's why I feel this is a weak demand zone. I'm not having that much hopes from it. So I'm just trying to get this small amount of profit, which I feel it's good. Like today we are not having a big amount of profit, but small amount of profit I'm looking for. And if it breaks this consolidation from that entry point, I will enter in the market. But if it's not breaking that consolidation, I won't enter. I just did a mistake. I entered over here for short sell side, but then again the market went up. I had a loss of $100. So not looking to enter right now in any solutions. On air. Trying to break out, but it is not able to break. That is the thing. That is the deal. It is trying, but as I told you, this is a very weak demand zone right here. It will take too much of strength to break it. Fireball. I found a very cool game for all of us to like play in the live stream till the time we are just watching this series over here. So we'll play this game. I'm playing in the background. I'm trying to get me to the higher level because it's at a very beginner level right now, and we can play this in the live stream. Yeah, I love this game. It's called Clash Royale. Yeah, you heard me right. Clash Royale. Because watching market becomes a little boring. Like it's nothing to do for us. Like until and unless it makes some moves, we can't make a move. I hate to waste my P.E.K.K.A. It's wasted, it's fine. Can't do anything. One hit. Come on, I get it. Nice. Nice. Just thanks for this. Minutes are enough. You guys wanna see? Okay, next game we'll play together. Okay? Next game. I have a lot of time to invest. Okay, look at that, look at that, look at it. Good. Come on, let's go. Fireball in the corner. Okay, let's see. I'll keep it in the side. Where is the arrow? Okay. What? Not now. Okay. Let's have our entry points over here so we can watch from it, because right now I can see the market is moving. Not doing anything. Okay, let's play. We can watch our market from here as well. Okay, you don't have to worry. This is our market over here. It's not making any movement till now. Okay, let's go play. Collected. And to be very honest, it's very like I started from the 0 level, so let's see how it works, how it goes. You all can hear me, right? I hope. Let's find a match. Let's find a match. Okay, we are. I'll split my archers in the back. Okay. Rapid beer. My P.E.K.K.A is enough for this. I won't let this archer go waste, and as he will be afraid of the mini P.E.K.K.A because the damage is good, so I'll push in with the musketeer on the left hand side. Okay, right hand side strong. It just need one this. Okay, I think we have won already. Yeah, one arrow and everything will be gone. Okay, one arrow and everything will be gone. I won't even let them. Till that time, I just took this tower. Easy peasy, jippy, kneesy. Luffy Taro is my name. Okay. What shall we pick? I like this. This reminds me of a lot of Salman Khan. Goblin Cage. Let's have Goblin Cage. Let's add up. Goblin Cage we won't need right now in our collection, in our deck. And there are so many. You will find this many cards yet to be found. Okay, this many cards yet to be found. I don't need Goblin Cage right now. Should we go for buy situation? The market is actually up right now. Let's go for buy. I bought it. I may have done the wrong situations over here, but it was at that point, so I did it. My take profit obviously up here. No stop loss. Sorry, I don't use stop loss. Let's continue our game. We'll see. We have 10 minutes. We'll see how much profit we can gather in the 10 minutes. Okay, let's go for right now. I'm not adding the Goblin Cage into my deck right now, but because I don't need it for these noobs. See, he's having more trophy than me. His like this level is also increased. This is the third level he is going on, but still, you just watch how to defeat these people. One hit I can spare. That is totally fine. Not an issue. Really? That's where. See, this is the reason I go all crazy for such new people. He doesn't even know what's coming for him. No idea, brother, you have. I love these things. Okay, we raid together at the two sides, so he becomes very confusing which side to protect, and he end up giving everything to us. That's what I like. Okay, a little show off I wanna do before the match ends. This show off is basically you. Arey yaar, shit. Other we are $90, 90, 80, $82 plus. Okay, from that point we are $82, $66 plus. Let's go. We have taken the entry exactly at the place where we wanted to enter. You can clearly see this is my entry point. I told you all people regarding my entry point. Why you're not going down or something here? It's fine, but you can clearly see my entry point at the time where I said entry. That's my entry. Cool. Okay, let's see where it goes. We can watch the market with this 30 plus 20 plus till the time. Let me play. Let's go. Okay, Armadillo 18 13th. Let's just play a little OG game. Let's have a giant in the back. A very Russian P.E.K.K.A, really, bro. Huh. Okay, we'll have minions on the sides. The double lane pressure. Let's go for the double lane pressure. I love double lane pressure. Okay, double lane pressure is what we should give to the people. Now they are confused what to do, what not to do. The giant has a maximum health, so I'm gonna protect the giant with the musketeers. And yes, let's go. The game is ended. Game is ended, by the way. Yeah, hands up, and that tower is also gone. $94 plus we are in the market. Our game is also going good. This game is also going good. Everything going good. Let's go. This thing is not moving in front of my eyes. That is irritating me, but fine by me. One again, 3 towers. So many 3 towers. Why? Let's collect some money. Okay, nothing to upgrade. Let's go for the second. Okay, OG game. Tired Thanos. You watch me snap him. In the corner. Now I'll show you a single lane pressure. Okay, how much we can put on a single lane to pressurize him. I just hope he doesn't have an arrow. If he has an arrow, everything will be gone except the musketeers, but he's not using arrows. Why the people don't use arrow? What's wrong with using arrows? Why people don't use arrows? Use arrows, people. Where is your arrows? And boom, and boom. I love Mini Vega, bro. He is so small, but he has such a great strength. He has. Okay, again, we'll keep single lane pressure over here. Okay, these are the very new people, so let's not confuse them with anything. But they play like this, bro. Like, come on, this is not how you play. Muskies don't come back. Yeah, good. Muskies do not come back. These are minions. Her name is Musketeer. She is a sniper. She pulls the gun. And minions are the magical dark creatures. They throw saliva or something like that. Okay, $25 plus we are. Let's see in 4 minutes where we land. In 4 minutes, leaving this live stream. Okay. But I found a very cool game. We can play it every day now. Let's go. Let's have an OG play over here. And that's all it will take. Oh, shit. This people didn't came, bro. That's an issue. But we gave more damage. Cool. No issues. We gave more damage. He tried to trick us. He tried to do that double lane thing with us. Let's show him what double lane means actually. Okay. Let's just show him what double lane pressure means. Oh, come on, don't lose hope right now. Okay. Amber Keith. Really? I can also put arrows and end this game very fast. One punch, let's go. Constant strike, constant wins and wins we are having. 2 minutes left. I am $115 plus. 2 minutes left. Top cheesy. Are you trading or playing? Both together. See, this is my trade has already put. My take profit, I have kept it for 100 USDT and this is for 119. And while it is getting achieved, I am playing a game. So both at the same time. Because you know, if you are a trader, you will know ki, like just watching the market, it feels little boring. So a game, and I love this Clash Royale game. If you want to join this game, want to play, like challenge me for battle or something, please be my guest. Anybody can battle with me. Anybody from the comment section can have a match with me. Anybody. I am head cheesy here. What? I am the head cheesy here. Lol. What? Oh, you are saying that we are cheesy bit and you are the head cheesy, but where is your bit, bro? You are losing. You are having no bit. Top cheesy. I can see your account. There is one song called King of the World, one song The Story of the Soldier, and something something like that. Okay, this is your account. 135 subscriber. You go live. Okay, you have went live for 30 seconds. Nice. Cool. Top cheesy bit. I get it. You are having that wordplay. Okay. It's 7 actually. It's time to go bye. After one game. Okay, let's have this one game and we'll go. So much. I also know how to rush in, brothers. Kill. Okay, don't go forward. Yes, let's go. One last game. Okay, so this is the real brr patapim. What is brr patapim? Okay, let's have Musky in the back. Okay, I don't want to waste my mini P.E.K.K.A, so I'll waste my giant. Good. Everything gone with one arrow. Let's go. Okay. Don't move forward, don't move forward, don't move forward, don't move forward, don't move forward. Guys, fine. Carry on. And 1, and 2, and 3. Come on. Okay, his ego is hurt. He will try to rush in somewhere. But should we do the double lane pressure? I want to do double lane pressure. Let's start the double lane pressure, because that I can take it by 2 fireballs. That is not an issue. Let's have a double lane pressure. Okay. Really, bro? One arrow can wipe out everything. Come on. Wow. Oh, really? Minions. Another giant. Let's go double lane pressure. Now try to protect something. Try to protect as much as you have. And that is also gone. That is also gone. 20 seconds. Can we take the tower? 20 seconds. Let's go. 20 seconds. Can we take the tower? I don't think so. Okay. Fireball. Let's go. Done! Bro, you cannot win. Why even try? Just 2 seconds left. 1 second left. Match over. Thank you so much. So, let's go. Okay. Cool. And it's 7. By the way, my time for live stream has been over, so I will quit this game. I will play this game tomorrow with you all people. For now, let's not play. Google plays better. That's it. Okay. So thank you so much for everybody who joined this live stream and being a part of this live stream of our Shizibit and Zbit platform, where we are doing and teaching all the beginners to how to take a trade, and that is from the 0 to the advanced level. If you want to know regarding the all 0 level, like from the scratch you want to start, you should go on the Shizibit platform, the live section, and then you go and check out all those videos which are starting, because this is right now at the advanced level. If you want to understand everything from the beginning, please make sure you are checking out the previous live stream as well. Okay, so thank you so much for all the people who joined this live stream. Tomorrow I will see you all at the same timing, 1 to 3, first live stream, second live stream by 5 to 7. Okay, thank you so much people. Bye. I had a great day today. I found a good game.